Yo, what up, guys? Call me Gabby at your service. Welcome back to another Clash Royale video. So I almost finished this, but I'm going to record it to help you guys. So I have this deck. It's a Night Witch Golem, but instead of one golem, there's two. And feel free to copy it. And no, just a video with me. Whatever. Mm, no, go aggressive. Go aggressive, dude. No one, do this. They will counter that. Holy! Don't know why am I lagging. Why am I lagging? Why am I lagging? Okay, am I lagging, guys? I'm sorry because it's loud. Sorry about that. I'm just poisoning all of this. I'm not even bothering. I'm going to ignore that Valkyrie. It's so loud. To ignore that because my thing will actually kill him. But otherwise, just going to look how fast that knife, the Pekka went like 60 seconds. Holy crap! Holy crap! That's why that thing is good. So I will see you guys in another round. Okay, I cannot understand. But anyway, go here and I will not use any of this crap right now. I'm going to go that poison this for fun. Yes, poison that is fun. Poison. Oh, did I? What am I want to do this? No, I'm going to do that. Okay. Okay. Oh. I don't have any counter for that. Holy crap. Holy Jesus Christ, dude. Holy crap. Let's do this. I'm going to poison everything. Yeah, that's a value poison. Yeah, that's a value poison. Let's do this over here. Thank for that. That will get connection, but it will not be okay. I will ignore everything. I'll ignore everything on the right side, on the left, and I don't know. I don't know. Oh no, I shouldn't have ignored that. No. He's a good player. Anyways, let's see you guys in another round. It's hard. Sorry guys, I accidentally ended up. But anyways, let's just go golem. Holy Christ. Holy Christ is in heaven. Holy you know what? I'm going to go silent mode right now. Because oh, that is a word to you. That is okay, let's spam him and let's trick around him. No, just that one. Let's go golem right now. I'm gonna do golems because I can. It's going to ignore that. Yeah, but otherwise that's good game. Shikran. So you can see the power is great. Except for that one guy. Yeah. Sorry about if it's loud. Final battle with Fernando. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Don't rush like me. I did. That is the good reason. And let's poison that. Wow. No. That's. Holy Jesus, Mother of God. What? Why did he do that? I have no idea why they do. He rages. Okay. Oh wow. Seriously? Who Okay. I'm going to click on this and it's just don't touch. Oh no, okay. It's going to range that. Another time, another. Let's just do that. It's going to go to the camera anyways. Just going here. Oh no, I don't have anything. Oh no, I don't have anything for that time. But otherwise, that's going to be victory. Oh wow, where is he? Let's ignore that. Yeah, whatever. Ignore that. Ignore everything. Ignore pain. And suffering except no. Am I losing? No, I'm not there. I'm not losing. He is losing. Okay, now this down. Oh no, crap. He knows I ignored him. So I will poison this. Okay. Poison the crap out of that. Okay, I'm just... Look how many... What in the... First heavens. I go to defend now because I have nothing. Yeah, whatever. No, let's do this. I think this will be it. I guess. Yeah, but anyway, that's going to be 3-round victory. And that's 3-round victory. And yeah, that's GG's. And this is the final one. I'm going to open the chest for you guys. So make this video a little bit longer. Let's open this 7-win chest. Yeah, don't need it. But anyways, that's the end, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe, and see you again to another episode. But anyways, wait. And before you go, use code OJ. No, just do that. Just code OJ. You support OJ. I like OJ. But anyways, see you again in another episode. Peace.